Changing and moving furniture around can result into more changes, and that's exactly what happened here. Changing and recreating a space can make you appreciate a space even more, and it can make you fall in love all over again. So, if you guys remember, my sofa was here, and I decided to switch and put the table in its place, and I love it. I noticed I had a little room behind the table where I could fit a narrow sofa table. So I brought down a sofa table from my master and I painted it white so that it would take up less visual space. And then I brought back two of the lamps that were here from the seating area and a few accessories. And I absolutely love the way it turned out. I also replaced the frosted crystals for a touch of bling, and I had some beaded garland that I wasn't using, so I separated it into equal sections and then hung a teardrop at the end of each section, and then I attached the bead strand to the metal part of the candle area with a magnet. And it has such a cozy feel in this space, and I love the way it turned out. And here are a few chandelier options that I used for inspiration. And the best part about this project is that it cost nothing. So if you guys are looking for a new look in your home or looking to refresh a space for summer, try moving your furniture around. Thanks for watching, and thanks to all my new and returning subscribers. And if you are new here, welcome. And if you like something you saw today, I would love it if you would consider subscribing. I hope to see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.